also today on the 26th of April 2019.
Yeah, it's even hydraulic. It's very rare for gated elevators, but the gate has been replaced.
Yeah. But, is it?
Yeah, the kids left the 1929, modernized in 1971, serial number is 13996.
The gate is generic.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Amazing.
Yeah.
It was built in 1929, marked in 1971, and it's hydraulic. SWE-Graham spelled inside, and B8 outside.
Yeah.
Amazing, right? 2 or 3 rides.
Yeah, maybe 3.
Yeah. And it's hydraulic.
Yeah.
Wow. Super rare.
Yeah.
And for a gated one, that they remade it into a hydraulic.
Yeah.
This is one that I tried to get, but I didn't before.
Yeah.
Same color, that's probably looks like.
Yeah.
You check. But,
Yeah.
But I can. Yeah.
I want also see even it's same, but still.
We are curious.
Yeah.
Okay. But it's a bit slow.
Yeah.
It was strangely difficult on a Saturday.
Yeah. Not difficult to get inside, but there were some rush. And it's built by the grant, maintained by Kone.
Where did you find that information? And it was built in 71.
29 in like Oikoti, but of course not in Sweden, but and 71 of course because it has SWE-Graham inside and B8 outside, so so it must be
That's
1971.
true. Yes, that's right. Very rare.
Yeah.
But it doesn't really feel like hydraulic.
Yeah.
So are you sure it's hydraulic?
Yeah.
Did we see it from top if it has its traction or not?
Yeah. Probably I checked, but yeah.
We can see it now.
Yeah.
Still very rare though. It's it is not.
Oh yeah. 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 Yeah.
Calculate the 6-headed joke here.
Yeah.
It's not hydraulic extraction.
Yeah.
Very comical situation. But it's still very rare also.
Yeah.
Because they didn't modernize them so many elevators in 1971.
Yeah.
Especially not with AG and B8.
Yeah.
had telefonkatalogen still in the old one
Yeah.
when they had telephone catalogs.
Yeah.
The serial number is 13996. Sorry. Thank you very much.
That's